The fantastic invention, the steam engine. A long time ago, people used horses and carriages to travel. It was slow and tiring. People needed a better way to move heavy stuff and travel faster. The steam engine was invented. It used steam power to move things and trains. The steam engine works by using hot steam to push things like a super strong helper. The steam engine changed the world. It made trains, factories, and travel much faster and easier. Follow Edurills to know more about these amazing inventions.